Flash of cobalt through the trees, morning bends around the breeze. Black lime collar, lifted crown, claiming every inch of ground. Sharp as sunlight on a wire, feathers tipped with silver fire. Perched above the gravel road, king of every fence-post throne. Stay, little streak of stormy blue, I keep turning just to follow you. You redraw the sky with every dive, every sudden start I come alive. One bright breath and then you're gone, but my eyes still chase you on and on. Dust kicks up beneath your call, tiny thunder 10 feet tall. You don't ask and you don't wait, cut the air and split the day. Neighbors talk of simple things, you cut through our circling. Drop a feather, drop a clue, like the world was made for you. Stay, little streak of stormy blue, I keep turning just to follow you. You redraw the sky with every dive, every sudden start I come alive. One bright breath and then you're gone, but my eyes still chase you on and maybe I'm the rooted one, feet of clay, afraid to run. You just flash and